answer. It's so amazing,
Okay,
Chong.
now let me just go straight to the point. Of course, homosexuals are transvestite. You know what it means?
Yes, sir. It's transgender.
Transvestite are individuals who obtain sexual desires and who fulfill their sexual urge by dressing up like girls. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you are to categorically see yourself up to this time, do you believe that you homosexuals are to be respected with those kinds of dresses?
Yes, sir. Because we believe that we gays are more powerful than girls.
What is the line of passion for being a powerful and being a passionate individual?
Actually, we gays, we are the only one who can promulgate fashion in this world. We are the one who give justice to the dresses. We are the one who created, we design, and we are the one who will create the world. That's all I thank you.
Maraming salamat. Wala akong masabi sa'yo.
Thank you, sir.
Women, do you agree with the statement of Kenneth? Twins who will create the world.
Whoa!
Maybe guess number 14. Judge number 4. Yes, number 14, please stand. Yes, number 14. Okay. Do you believe in God?
Yes, ma'am.
What is your course?
Bachelor in Elementary Education, ma'am, a second year student.
Okay, so why did you took up the course?
Because I want to teach children.
Children.
Yes, ma'am.
So you love children.
Super duper duper, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So I hope you will read between the lines. My question now is I'm going to repeat the question that was given a while ago. So here's your question. In the Philippines, are you in favor of same-sex marriage? Take note of what you have said a while ago. You believe in God, and you are also a bachelor of secondary in education.
I said before na I believe in God. But for me, I agree to the same-sex marriage, ma'am, because if you are the one in our situation, ma'am, I believe you do everything what you want to the man, to your same-sex, ma'am. That's all. Thank you.
Very well
Another follow-up question, ma'am?
This is the final question since you're asking. Do you have a boyfriend?
No, sir, because I'm
Not.
so sorry, not sir. Because sir, my priority this time is my study. Because sir, I'm the one who thinking in college right now because I am the one who pursued the dream of my mother and I want to become a future educator something and to teach the children who cannot afford to go to school, and I believe that education is the common profession in our society. That's all. Thank you.
At the same time, when you have taken course, Bachelor of Secondary Education, have you read the Code of Ethics of Education?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question again?
Actually, you excite us here right now. So, when you have taken a course as a Bachelor of Education,
Pampaubos lang.
the code of ethics in education?
None, ma'am.
Not sure.
Yes, ma'am. But if I will go to my profession something, ma'am, I change my outfit because we all know that many people discriminate to our physical appearance, ma'am, and I'm just going to change my outfit, ma'am. That's all. Thank you.
I like giving you follow-ups actually. Now, if you will be a teacher like me, of course, you will be dressing up like this one the same as I do. Okay, are you going to tell your students who are gays that it's quite good to get married with a man?
No.
Are you going to tell your students that it's just proper to get married with a man?
No, sir.
Julius, also a follow-up question.
You said a while ago that you love children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you think your pupils will respect you because of you are? And what would you tell to them? For example, they will tell you, you are not you are not acting
Haba
as
ng
a
kanya.
teacher because
Parang
you
sabay
are
kayong
gay.
gumanon ah. Ala, yan na, yan na, yan na. Ilan? May isa.
Well, ma'am, if the pupil said that to me, ma'am, I ask myself,
What do you ask? Why am I gay?
because that child or the pupil said that my